Does an advanced, high-performing, easy-to-use cloud-based trade copier that supports multiple brokers and platforms exist? Well, we're Duplikium, and yes, we exist. Duplikium is developed and maintained by professional Swiss banking engineers. Our company is registered in Switzerland and has been operating since 2013. Today, Duplikium processes millions of orders per week and supports and serves thousands of brokers and users around the world, and we keep on growing. Duplikium offers a cloud-based trade copier designed for professional traders with multiple accounts to manage. It's fast! You can enjoy an extra low internal latency of a few milliseconds suitable for high-frequency trading. The setup is an easy process too. You can start and copy your first trade in just 3 minutes. And since it's cloud-based, you don't need to download any software, no VPS is required, and no need to keep your PC running 24/7 anymore. Another perk is you can access your Duplikium account anytime, anywhere, and on any device of your choice. Security is one of our highest priorities, so you can relax knowing your data is safe. With Duplikium, you can combine various brokers and technologies such as NinjaTrader 4 and 5, cTrader, FXCM, LMax, and Fix API on one trade copier. Duplikium can also copy all instruments supported by your broker. It can be Forex, Commodities, metals, indices, stocks, crypto, binary options, and more. How neat is that? Our solution is scalable, so if you are starting with a few accounts with the potential of growing exponentially, Duplikium can accompany you every step of the way. We have multiple servers located at the leading data centers in the world, including in the well-known Equinix data centers, LT4 and NY4. With these server options, you can select the server closest to your slave brokers for better latency. Now, let's talk about features. It is ready with essential functions such as copying market, pending orders, and protection orders such as stop loss and take profit, which you can update and delete anytime. We support partial closing for all brokers too. You can control the risk or the trade size to be copied per account, group of slaves, or symbol. And if you're doing a reverse strategy, well, guess what? Reverse trading is also available. We've also set in place additional advanced trade copier settings to manage your risk, a whitelist-blacklist function to filter symbols, account equity protection, order filters, and more. Copy trading can be complex and dynamic, so continuous improvement is a big thing for Duplikium. As we deploy additional features and improvements, you'll have more options and possibilities for managing your trades. Our pricing is designed to accommodate businesses of all sizes, so you can choose a plan that fits your needs. Did you know that we also offer a free plan to test the service? We encourage you to try Duplikium for free and see it in action. Need help? Our customer support is ready to assist you 24/7. Awesome, right? Do you need special solutions for your organization's growing needs? Of course, we've got something for you too. Aside from the standard trade copier where you fully control and manage each of your masters and slaves' credentials, Duplikium offers special solutions such as the provider-follower trade copier and web service API. If you have tons of clients to manage, our provider-follower trade copier is one way to go. It's simple. Your clients will get a dedicated link to your signal and they'll set up their own accounts. This way, credential management is out of the way, so you have more time to think of winning strategies for your clients. With our web service API, you can use our technology to create your own website. It's ideal for signal providers or if you want to create your own control panel or trade copier solutions without having to build everything from scratch. And that's a wrap. If you want to know more about Duplikium, visit our website at trade-copier.com. So, we'll see you there. Bye!